follow my blog, Sneakers and Lipstick, you'll know I'm doing my best to reduce my footprint. But some things are just so hard. Makeup, for instance. I feel like everything is made of plastic.
So when my friend Jenny Lee at Green Tree Beauty told me about Elate Cosmetics, I was elated. The concept is a capsule makeup collection. You choose exactly what you're going to use, nothing more. You start with the most beautiful bamboo container. Bamboo is one of the most sustainable products in the world. It takes very little water, very few resources. And you choose your makeup. Pressed powder, eyeshadows, whatever you're going to use, and you just pop them in. If you'd like a separate container for your blush, great. A separate container for your foundation, done. And then those little paper packages that your makeup comes in, well, they're seed paper. So get planting. The whole concept is just phenomenal. The metal your recharges come in is recyclable. The bamboo is beautiful and compostable. And what's more is that the makeup is high end. It's used by professionals, and now it's used by me too.